Hello everyone, so continuing with our jungle theme, we have now transferred over from Art of Animation and the Lion King Suites, and we are in Animal Kingdom Lodge Jumbo House. We have a Savanna view which looks amazing.
Very cool.
We love it. And another special treat we have a remodeled room. So we actually get to stay in one this time. The last video we showed, we were allowed to go through it and see it, but that was not the room we stayed in. This one, however, we actually get to stay in, and we are so excited because it looks so nice.
Yeah, and we have a great view too because it's Savanna view, so that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, so let's check it out.
Yeah, so before we head down into the room, I just wanted to point out the hallway here. They've changed out the lighting and the carpet, and it just is a lot brighter overall throughout the hallway. And of course, the room itself is also much brighter. Now they kept the same doors and some of the same furniture, but a lot of things in here have now changed. So to our left here in this particular room, we do have an adjoining door. So there are adjoining rooms here in these remodeled rooms. We also have the new closet area that they've added. So this new sliding door closet here, and on one side we have some shelves and extra blankets and the safe and things like that. And then on the other side we also have some space for hanging clothes and another shelf up top there. So you do have a little bit of storage space here for some of the larger items. And then the bathroom area, they have added a door here to that. So there is a gigantic barn door, sliding door here, so you can have that to close off the bathroom area. And there is also a full-length mirror here on this door. So let's check out the actual bathroom itself. So in the bathroom area, we have a double vanity we've added in here. So this double vanity has plenty of counter space, and of course, lots of the amenities that you're used to seeing here at the deluxe resorts. And they've added a little bit more lighting in here as well. So it's kind of a lot brighter in here with the extra canned lights up top, as well as the lights all the way around the mirror. So it's made this whole bathroom area much brighter. And then they have the toilet and shower area where they have swapped out the tub for just a shower. Now there are some remodeled rooms that have showers, about 30 to 40% of those have tubs instead of showers. So if you need a tub for your children or whatever reason, you can request that before check-in, but the default, kind of the more popular one, is going to be shower only. And they've also changed the door in this area to one of these sliding pocket doors, so it saves a little bit of space. You don't have to worry about having more room here in the bathroom with that. So they've got a little bit of extra space in here from changing out that door. And then they have the walk-in shower that has the dual shower heads as well. So that's really nice, and we're looking forward to having that for the next few days. And then they added a small touch of the Lion King, not so subtly, here in the bathroom with this silhouetted Hakuna Matata picture of Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa. Thought that was pretty nice. And the coffee area over here, where we do have a single-serve Keurig machine, they've added a small little Lion King touch there as well, the sunrise over the Savanna, so you can have your morning coffee while looking at the actual Lion King sunrise here in this little breakfast nook area. And then, of course, you have all your K-cups and your coffee mugs and things. Now, they have added a new mini fridge here in this resort, and I want to point out that this is the new model they're using pretty much everywhere that is not as much of a mini fridge as it is a mini cooler. It does not get as cold as some of the larger, older ones, and there's no freezer section. So if you need to freeze something, that's not going to be an option there. It is just kind of a giant cooler, essentially. So some baskets hanging on the wall we were discussing earlier. Is that an abstract Mickey where the circles aren't touching? Is it not?
Yes.
Alyssa says yes, but I say I'm not so sure about that. But regardless, it could possibly be construed as a hidden Mickey, and there is at least one hidden Mickey in this room that we have found. I'll point that out shortly. So we have two queen beds in this room, and they've added a lot more lighting in here as well, with the sconces on the wall and the uplighting behind the bed and the overhead light as well. This room is definitely much, much brighter. Even after the sun goes down, it's much brighter in here than it used to be. Another nice touch is they added little end tables here on the side of each side of the bed, so you have a space to plug up your devices with the USB outlets there and somewhere to lay them down. So you do have that on either side of both of the beds, and then of course the table in the middle. So they did think that through really well, and we appreciate that. These are the new style beds, so they do have the under the bed storage available, so you can get your suitcases up and out of the way so you're not tripping over them all the time. When you're living out of the resorts like this, you have a lot of suitcases, and stuff like that is really, really important. Now, I want to point out that these headboards are not new. They're actually, if you've stayed here before, the exact same headboards that they had on the beds previously. But instead of being high up in the air like this, the wooden part was right down there below, behind your pillow, and it was kind of really uncomfortable if you hit your head on the headboard. So what they did was they just raised that up and they added a cushion to it, so you have something soft behind your head and it looks like a brand new bed, even though they're recycling the headboards. So we thought that was really great. They didn't just toss the headboards out. They found a way to reuse them and recycle them, which is really cool. They also added this really nice wood trim around the top, and I don't remember if there was trim in the previous rooms or not, but this is just a really fun touch that adds to the kind of rustic feel of the room. And I thought that was really awesome that they took the time to add that in there as well. Can't pass by this little nightstand without pointing out they did put a little baby Simba there on the nightstand. And so they have that carved into the drawer, which is really cute. Thought that was great. And then you have a dresser with 6 drawers in it. Now these drawers are not huge. If you notice, there's a much smaller footprint to this dresser than the previous rooms they had before the remodel. So the drawers are a little bit smaller, but it definitely takes up a lot less floor space, and you have a lot more room to kind of walk around through the room here without running into the dresser all the time. And they've added the USB outlets there as well. Now their table and chairs, once again, they've slimmed down the size of the footprint of these pieces of furniture. There's a lot less space being taken than the previous ones they had here. They were, specifically the table was huge in the previous room, so they've changed that out as well, but you still do have a little bit of space there. And then there is a mirror here with a fun kind of African-inspired light above it. On the Savanna balcony here, I just want to step out here and show you guys our view, because this is pretty awesome. We've stayed Savanna View once before in Kidani Village, but this is our first time here at Jambo House, and this is really, really cool. So we had giraffes walking by a little bit ago when we were first checking in and bringing our stuff inside, and now there's some zebras over there laying down sleeping. I don't know if you can see them through the trees. There's some wildebeest sleeping over there. It's kind of the middle of the heat of the day, so a lot of the animals aren't very active. But the giraffe, if you can look straight out in the distance there, follow that dirt road, you can see one of the giraffes standing there eating, it looks like, from one of the trees. And then there's some, over here on the right, if you look, there are some birds sleeping in the grass, some type of, looks like pelican or something. But if you look far off in the distance next to the building, you can see kind of the orange plumage of the rare Central Floridian cranes. So those cranes over there, you have a great crane view if you're here in these rooms. Yeah, I just wanted to point that out because they are still working on these rooms. If you do get a remodeled room here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, they are not all done. You should not have any problem with construction noise or anything like that. They're keeping people far enough away from where the work is going on, but you may be able to see some construction equipment here from your balcony. Nothing too obtrusive. They have done really well containing that, but just wanted to point that out in case you happen to be here. Now you do have a couple chairs out here on the balcony, and they've gotten different chairs here now. So there are some different animals kind of made into the back of the chair. This one has a giraffe on it, and this one has some type of a lioness or maybe a cheetah or something. So anyway, they have gotten new furniture there. I have 2 more pieces to show you, and then we'll wrap up this tour. The first is the curtains here in the room. This is where we were able to find the only hidden Mickey here in this room. So here in the curtains, if you look, you have this great tribal inspired pattern, and right in the center of one of those is a hidden Mickey, which I've got to say is one of my favorite hidden Mickeys that we've seen, just for the creativity of the styling of the Mickey. I think that's awesome. It fits in so perfectly with the style here in the room and the resort. And then the last thing I want to show you is what the cast members here have affectionately dubbed Pride Rock. And that is this gigantic, like, actual rock that is hanging on the wall here. And in this, there are all kinds of animals carved and kind of printed into there. And you can see in the center there is Rafiki holding up baby Simba. Zazu is up there in the top corner. You just have a lot of random animals running around. If you see here, Timon with Pumbaa Pumbaa with Timon kind of on his back right there. Trying to tell if these are hyenas over here. I can't quite tell, but a lot of really fun little hidden Lion King references there on what we're going to go ahead and call Pride Rock, because that's really awesome. Just a fun piece here. Instead of a painting, they decided to go with something a little more unique. So that is it for our tour of the Savanna room here, Savanna View room at Animal Kingdom Lodge at Jambo House. We're going to be here for 3 nights, and then we will be checking out the standard view here at Jambo House as well. I don't know if that room will be remodeled or not. I'm not sure which ones they've got done as far as those go, but we will find out in 3 days, and we'll be coming back to you with a standard view room.
Yeah, so just a reminder, if you are staying here at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House soon, they have not remodeled everything, so you can always request and see. Maybe they have one that they can give you, but it's not a guarantee yet because they're not done. But again, they are not putting anyone near the construction, so you're totally fine.
They've done really well taking care of that. And if you don't want to be in a remodeled room, you really like the old style, I'm sure they can accommodate that as well. They're working on one half of the building right now, and then they'll move over to the other side. So they're doing really well kind of breaking it into pieces so they don't have to disturb people too much. It's been really nice.
And we're loving how it has turned out.
Yes, we're very big fans of this remodel. It's pretty awesome.
So we hope you enjoyed that, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.